let's start with chapter number 9, Introduction to GIMP. So in this chapter, I will tell you about this is a photo editing. What are the different types of images? What is GIMP? How to install it? GIMP window and opening a GIMP document, and then I will tell you about how to open, how to save it, and how to open an existing file. So let's study with the chapter GNU Image Manipulation Program, right? It is a super cool and free software that let us to play with images and creating stunning artwork and tweak photo effortlessly. So what is GIMP and why it is game changer for anyone eager to dive into world of digital design? In this lesson, we will unravel the mystery of GIMP. So we have photo editing. MS Paint is also a tool for picture drawing and painting. Paint only offers a few fundamental tools for painting and editing images. So if you want to do advanced photo editing work, you should use professional photo editing software. Like we have Adobe Photoshop, Corel Photo Paint Shop, GIMP, Fox Photo Editor, Adobe Photoshop Lightroom, Fox. These are the different photo editor programs, right? Then types of images. We had different types of images depending upon how they are created. Like first is vector image. So let's study vector image are generated by mathematical equations instead of storing circle as a set of pixels. The mathematical equation of a circle is stored. This requires much less space to store the same data. These are not suitable for storing photographs. Corel Draw, it is also an example of vector graphic. Then we have raster image. They are composed of a set of digital value called picture elements or pixel. Each pixel stores information regarding the intensity or a given color to at a specific point of image. The whole image is stored using rows and columns of these pixels, and such image is known as bitmap image. And images are created using MS Paint Photoshop. Now what is GIMP? It is very useful open source image editing software that helps graphic design, illustration and enhancing photographs with sophisticated tools. So it is available free of cost for Windows, Linux, Mac OS and other operating systems. And the mascot of GIMP is Wilbur. So GIMP, it is Journal Image Manipulation Program. It was appeared back in 1995. So it has wide range of functions such as digital painting, color correction, picture editing, graphic design, generating online images. And it supports variety of file type including JPG, PNG, and it is highly versatile as user can modify and expand the program accordingly. Now let's study the features. This tools such as cropping, resizing and rotating images as well as advanced tools for image retouching and enhancement is used. It offers variety of selection tools like rectangle, ellipse, freehand, fuzzy select and allow user to make precise selection. Then it can work with multiple layers to compose and manipulate the images, and it supports color management features that allow user to accurately reproduce their images. Now it has wide range of inbuilt filters and effects that user can apply to their images to achieve various creative. A range of file formats including popular formats like JPG, PNG, GIF, GIF. It is an interface that can be customized to suit user preferences, and user can also create and share their own plugins and script to extend the software capabilities. Next is installing GIMP. Now I will tell you how to install the GIMP, right? Let's study. You have to visit to the site, you have to open the browser and visit to a site www.gimp.org, right? So let's see, like this you will go to a GIMP, then you have to call GIMP image manipulation. Like this a window will appear, then you will go to download like this, then where you have to go? You have to go download GIMP directly. Like this and your file will be get downloaded. Then it will get installed. Right? And then you will install it like this, download. I have shown you. And then let's see the GIMP window. I will show you over here GIMP window. Like this, your GIMP 2.10 window will appear. What is this? This is your GIMP window. Right? This is MW mode. What we call it? MW. Now, switching these modes. Let's switch these modes. By default, GIMP opens to multi-window mode. As per the user convenience, if we talk about user convenience, modes can be toggled between single window to multiple window, menu and single window option. You can choose yourself. So you can go to window and then we will go to single window mode. Like this, a single window mode will be open. What we call it? Single window mode. And if you go to this is single and that was multiple. So now components. Main components you can see over here. I will tell you what are the different. We have toolbox. So main toolbox is considered to be the heart of GIMP. So it helps in retouching and enhancing the photographs. Tool icons. These are the buttons that activate tools for various purposes like selecting part of images, painting of images. Like this, we have tools. These are the different tools that we use. Now, foreground or background, depending upon the requirement of the color. What you can do, foreground and background color can be selected by clicking the black and white square. So, the dialog box containing several colors to choose from. A double-headed arrow, when clicked, swaps the two colors. So, clicking the small black and white square icon, it restores the original black and white foreground. You can change the background according to your choice. Then we have brush, pattern and gradient. These are used for adding text, painting, add design and change pattern. So if you want to add labels to the part of above image, click text tool and denote it by A in the toolbox. Choose a font from the font menu of the brush layer and it will enable us to add rectangular boxes at the desired location, add text and save these changes. Like this, these are the different brushes, patterns that we use. It will be shown over here. You can see here, these are the different patterns, like, and these are the different hair from, you can choose different brushes also, whatever type of brushes you want to choose. Next is opening a GIMP document. So first of all, what you will do, click on the file menu and then click new option from the drop down, right? Now you want to create, you will set the image height and width and OK to create new canvas, right? So let's see over here, you will go to file, new, right? Now we have set OK and then you can create over here. Now you can create over here. Like this, the window will appear. Now, saving a GIMP document. For click on the file menu, click on save as. The main menu of the file, choose the desired location wherever you want to save the dialog box and then you have to go to save button and your file will be saved. So how I will show you? You have to go to file and then save as. Wherever you want to save, you can choose the option on the desktop and you will click on save. And your existing file will, what happen? Your existing file will save over, right? Now you want to open the existing file. So that, click on the file menu, click on the open option. Here a drop down list will be appear, open an image file or press F button. So select the picture to open your file and click on the open button. Whenever you will click on the button, your file will be open. Now some common tasks. What are the different common tasks? First is changing the size of image. You want to change the size of the image if in a situation in which you are asked to upload your photograph with predefined dimension. And it has some exceeding limits also. So open the image in a GIMP. Then we have taken the image. So now click on the image menu and select the scale of the image. Now a scale image box appears like this and you can change the size as per your requirement, right? and afterward you can change the size of the image for print. If you want to print it, then also you can. The resolution is 72 dpi, ppi dots pixel per inch. Now we have a high resolution bigger screen in which images have higher dpi, and higher the dpi, smaller the image. So follow the below steps to change the print size. Click on the image menu and select print size. Set X and Y, change the print size of your image and save the image. And your image will be saved over here. Right, this was all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.